We're here at Dancious at Asiana Grand Hotel. So far, we are setting up for the awarding ceremony of the Little Mr. and Miss Philippines 2025. We'll see you.
Right, for our junior. Mr. Wick goes to none other than Zane. Okay, next. We've got Junior Best Informal Wear. Junior Best Informal Wear goes to
Zane.
also Zane. Right. Our next one. Junior Best in Creative Attire. Junior Best in Creative Attire.
Zane. Look here.
Norris. Mr. Norris. Right. Junior Best in Production. Junior Best in Production. Also Norris. Yes. Junior Best in Talent. Junior Best in Talent goes to Zane. Right. Best in Talent has a crown. Right. Junior Best in Sportswear. Junior Best in Sportswear is Steve. Steve, Junior Best in Sportswear.
Zane.
Okay, next one.
Zane.
Okay, let me recap all the awards for our Junior Mister. We've got our Best in Creative Costume, Norris. Best Informal Wear, Zane. Best Junior Mr. Friendship, Zane. Junior Top Model is Norris. We've got the Mr. Fashionista. Also Zane. We've got the Mr. We've got the Sportswear, Mr. Steve. Mr. Wick is Zane. We've got the Best in Production, Norris. The Best in Talent, Zane. And of course, Bill. That's the runner-up. That'll be later on. Okay, we'll have some pictures. And of course, they've got all the special gifts courtesy of Dr. Essential. Right now, we move on to the Little Miss Philippines UAE Junior.
Zane.
Well, some pictures. Pictures are there. Everybody smiling. 1, 2. And thank you. Okay, hold on. That's the best in talent. Zane. Right. Zane has a sash, yes, for the best in talent. Okay, there we are. Okay, picture. And okay, thank you.